Hey foodies, welcome back to Bloggin Good Food. Today we are turning your cookie bar from ordinary to extraordinary. Get ready for a sprinkle of fun and a dash of creativity. Let's dive in. Cookie bar basics. Start with the basics, folks. Freshly baked cookies are the canvas of your masterpiece. The aroma alone will have your guests anticipating the sweet magic ahead. Colorful toppings galore. Now let's turn up the color. It's time for a sprinkle spectacle. From vibrant sprinkles to decadent chocolate drizzles. These toppings are the key to transforming your cookies into a taste explosion. Personalize with edible art. Unleash your inner artist. Turn each cookie into a delicious masterpiece. Edible art isn't just for show. It adds a delightful texture and flavor to elevate your cookie experience. Theme it up. Every occasion deserves a themed treat. Let your cookies tell a story. Whether it's festive holiday shapes or personalized birthday themes, themed cookies add that extra special touch to your cookie bar. Cookie bar presentation. Presentation matters. Arrange your cookies with a flair. A well-organized cookie bar not only looks enticing, but makes it easy for your guests to grab their favorites. Flavors of the world. Take your taste buds on a global adventure. Infuse your cookie bar with the flavors from around the world, whether it's the earthy notes of matcha or the aromatic spices of chai. These international flavors will add an unexpected twist to your cookie creations. Interactive cookie decorating station. Let's get hands-on. Set up an interactive cookie decorating station for your guests. It's a fun and engaging way to let everyone personalize their cookies. From drizzling chocolate to creating intricate designs, these possibilities are as endless as your imagination. And there you have it, a cookie bar transformed from basic to extraordinary. But hold on, we are not done yet. Thanks for joining us on this sweet journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mouthwatering content. Until next time, keep on baking and making those cookies dreams come true. Happy baking, everyone!